Dear students, welcome to the 7th week of the course on Scientometrics. You will be introduced to citation analysis and collaboration in science during this week. Last week, you have learned about science indicators. Let us study today two different concepts but related to each other. In part 1, we study citation analysis and we will learn collaboration in science in part 2. Citation counting techniques are used in the evaluation of scientific activities for the last few years. The main objective of the citation analysis are to evaluate and to interpret citations received by articles, by authors, by institutions, and other aggregates of scientific activities. Citation analysis is also a tool for measuring communication links in the sociology of science. Citation analysis for the purpose of this module is taken to mean the analysis of citations or references which form part of the articles in journals. In citation analysis, we do not study the references in secondary periodicals. Based on the citation analysis, we can rank the journals, institutions, individuals, and countries. In the last few decades, collaboration research is being increasing. Science is no longer a pursuit of an individual. Collaborative research is an important feature of a science. Collaboration research takes place among the individual scientists, institutions, and among countries. It may be at the regional, national, or at the international levels. There are certain indices to measure the collaboration research or a collaborative research. The question arises as to what is collaboration. In simple terms, collaboration can be defined as the working together by two or more researchers within an organization or between the institutions or between the two countries to achieve the common goal of producing new knowledge. Both citation analysis and a collaborative research are discussed in this module.